Hello, so in this video I will tell you how you can fix favicon not showing up issue in WordPress. So here you can see favicon is not showing, and if I go to customize, so here you can see sometimes I see the favicon and sometimes it is not showing. So there is some sort of issue with the favicon that it is not showing properly. To fix this, we will have to first of all check what is the issue, and here you can see we can go to header builder, and we are using extra theme. So if you are using any other theme, the interface might be little bit different, but it will be same procedure anyways. So here you can see the site title and logo, so we will click on it, and here under logo we will scroll down to the bottom, and here we will see site icon. So we will click on it, and here you can see that the favicon is added here but not showing when we go to the front end. So here you can see when we go to the front end it does not show. So this is the issue. So we will fix this issue in this video. And by the way, this is the website that I created for my web development portfolio. So if you just want to create a website like this, then you can go to my channel and playlist. Here under playlist you can see I have created a playlist 0 to launch portfolio website creation. So this playlist is complete about this type of website, and in the first video I have created complete website, and then we have extended the website functionalities and we have added new things in the website. So you can check out this video if you want to create a portfolio website. So let's move on with the video. Let me show you my article that I have written on the same topic, how to fix favicon not showing. So let's scroll down, and so if you have a favicon then you can skip this part, otherwise you can go to my website and check out this video. You can just search on YouTube like create favicon Kashif Mahmood KM, and here you can see the video that I have created on how to create a favicon. So you can check out this video if you want to create your favicon. So let's move on with the video. So there are 4 ways to fix favicon issue in WordPress. So the first one is we can just go back to this thing, and then here we can just click on remove, and we will try to add it again. So this is pretty simple method, and we can see maybe it fixed the issue. So sometimes it is like not properly uploaded. So you can see it still there is same issue. So let's move on with the video and move to the second part. There can also be some issues in the cache. So if you want to clear your cache, you can go to website and you can just type / over it and question mark and write no cache equal to 1. So this will clear your browser cache of your website. So you can just click enter, and you can see still it is not showing because this is not a cache issue. And if you are using any cache plugin, then you can clear the cache from that plugin as well. So you can see if that fixes your problem. And the third issue is related to SSL problems. So there can be SSL issue in your website which can cause this issue that the favicon will not show, and for that you can just go to plugins and you can install a new plugin that is really simple SSL. So you can install this plugin and you can activate the plugin, and then it will give you the option to activate your SSL. And still if you have any issue related to SSL, like if you go to if you remove the S thing from here in the URL, and it will take you to a non-secure website. So here you can see still it is secure, so there is no SSL related issue in my end. So if this plugin does not solve your SSL problem, then you can contact your hosting provider and you can see if they can install, if they have provided you SSL functionality in your hosting. Otherwise you can tell them to add SSL to your website and they will do it for you. So the fourth method, that is the most important method, and this method fixed the issue on my website. So for that you will have to go to this article. I will provide the link of this article in the description of the video, and you can copy these 2 lines, and then you can go back to your website, and we can now close this thing, and we will go to dashboard, and here we will scroll down to the bottom and we will go to appearance and theme editor. So to add the code in your website, you will have to go to this sidebar and you will have to scroll down, and here you will have to go to this header.php file. So you can click on it, and here you can see the tag is starting from here and ending over here. So just after the tag starts, you can paste the 2 lines that we have copied, and here you will have to replace your favicon URL over here. So we can go to media library, and here you can see we have the favicon over here. So just open the favicon that you want to add and click on copy URL to clipboard, and then again go to the theme editor and here replace the URL. So replace the URL in both of these places and just scroll down and click on update file. So now let's go back to the website. So here you can see now the favicon is showing up. So that's how you can fix the favicon issue in your website. Here you can see I've also created 1200 entrepreneurship editable Canva templates that you can upload on your social media. These are ready-made templates that you can edit as well. You can add your username in the bottom. So you can see here are 3 free examples, and you can get 1200 similar Canva templates that are professionally created and are research based and have the ability to go viral. So if you want to buy that, you can just go to my website. So I will provide the link of these templates in the description, and you can just click on buy me a coffee, and here you can just buy this template for $5 minimum, and you can also enter your own price if you want. So you can just enter your price like $5 or $6 that you want to pay, and you can click on get this, and here just write your Twitter name or your name and your email, and then you can pay it securely via credit or debit card, whatever you have. So thank you for watching this video, and do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.